What's up, everybody? My name's Danon, and welcome to Honestly. As you guys can see, I'm not quite up in my usual office. I'm on travel for work, and what's really funny is that everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. Like, I took a shower as soon as I got here, and I didn't do the curtains right, so all of my clothes got super soaked because they were laying on the ground. So I was walking around in my boxers for a while, and I wanted to put my clothes on. I put my shirt on, obviously, but I put my pants on just in case there's a glass thing there. I didn't want you guys to catch a glimpse of me in my boxers because I wanted to spare you all from that view. On top of that, as soon as I try to record the audio here, I hook up my recorder here, it ran out of batteries, and then I went to go check the remote control batteries. I was like, oh, they've got AA batteries too. They're also super low on batteries. The stand that I brought with me to try to mount the camera on top of, it's stuck, right? So, now it wants to come undone. The worst. Anyways, all that's okay. All that is okay because I'm super excited about this here. This is the Galaxy S20 Ultra that just came in the mail, and I wanted to do a quick video because it came just before I left on travel, so I grabbed all of my equipment as fast as I could. I don't even have proper lighting. As you guys can see, I've got a lamp here that I've just put really close to my face, so hopefully that lights it up okay. And anyways, I wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you guys what's inside of this thing, and then after I've had some time to play with it, I'll do a full review very shortly. So without further ado, let's get honest. Now, I am super excited about this thing because the last time I had a Samsung device, it was the Samsung Omnia, and I don't think many people are familiar with that because it was one of those unlocked devices that you had to get from overseas, and it was just before the iPhone came out, and I thought I was the coolest kid on the block because of it, but it was a terrible phone, and then the iPhone came out, and all the kids had the iPhone, and I was just super jealous, and eventually I migrated over to the iPhone. So yeah, this is Samsung's chance to redeem themselves. So in the famous words of the Talking Heads and Rick and Morty,
show me what you got.
Anyways, so I just got it open here. The first thing you'll find is the matte, it's not matte black, it's the glossy iPhone. I think I got the lowest end model here, but it looks really great. I wish I had the mic here, but here, I'm just gonna let you guys listen to that. And that was anticlimactic, to say the least. I'm trying to see if it's got a screen protector. I think it does have a screen protector on there, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to take it off, but because I'm gonna be using this all day tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that thing on. So that's that. The next thing it comes with is a charger, and I've actually brought my OnePlus 7 Pro with me so you guys can see this for reference. So this is the super fast charging, right? That's what they call it here. Compare that with OnePlus's Warp Charger here, so compare that for size. Just make sure that's in focus there. Let me hold it here. Let's get a better look. So that's that. Next up is this tiny little thing, which I don't know what's in here, and I'm afraid I'm gonna pull this down because I'm just afraid I'm gonna drop something that I don't know what's in here. What are you? By the way, I didn't look up anything about what's supposed to come with this product. There is literally nothing inside here. Look, there's literally nothing in there. It's just I don't know what that's for. That's just a piece of plastic. Let's see here. You've got this. You've got the cable that comes inside of it. Man, I am not good at unboxing things. Man, unbox therapy. It looks easy, but it's not. It's pretty difficult. So, oh my gosh, come on, Samsung. It's like in this box, and I guess I don't know. I guess that's how you do it. But you get a cable. It's probably about 3 feet long. So that's the cable there, USB-C to USB-C. Oh, I should mention, this is a USB-C, not a USB Type-A, which kind of annoys me a little bit because I don't have too many C-to-C cables. So it means I'm going to have to buy new cables to fit in here, or I could probably just use one of my other wall warts and then use the USB-A to C that I've got existing. And then you've got this, I believe these are the headphones. They're by AKG. But I don't know if you all know this. This is what I read somewhere. They got RIP, rip the headphone jack. So that's that. And then you've got the headphones here. They're very nice. They're nylon. It's braided, I mean. So the longer cable here is braided with nylon, and then up here is that regular rubberish plastic feel that you're used to. Let me see how these fit real quick. I don't know why I have this in right now. This is what the buds look like. don't know why it's not catching focus. Sorry, it's not catching focus. Taking too long. Put them in. It's also not easy to tell which ones. Here we go. Right and left. And I can tell you now that I have huge earbuds, so these are not going to work for me. I'm probably going to have to use the biggest end ones, and it comes with this nice stick where all your buds are placed like a skewer. So you just pop those out, and I'll do that later. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Let me see. Let me turn this thing on. It's not turning on. Oh, there it goes. Nice. So just a real quick, so you guys can see the check out the device for yourselves real quick. You see that massive camera, and you can see kind of how large that camera bump is. It's probably sticking out about maybe a millimeter or two. So, and I'll show you guys how that starts up in just a minute. In terms of controls, you've got the power on the right. Ooh,
Let
hello.
me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Oh. So you got the lock here on that side, and then you've got your volume rocker on the same side as well. And the left side is completely devoid of any buttons, which I don't mind that. I don't see a vibration switch, which I don't love that. So anyways, in terms of size, I thought it was going to be bigger. It is taller. So here's my OnePlus. It's got a case on, but you guys can see a direct size comparison. You guys can see that the Samsung is longer, but it could be the case, but it doesn't seem, it seems actually a little bit skinnier than the OnePlus 7 Pro. Actually, I don't think that's the case. I think the phone is actually, you know what, let me just take the case off. Here. Ugh, oh my god, look at all that dirt. As you guys can see, here, now you guys can compare them side by side. Let me do that first. Oh god, I turned the flashlight on, hold on. Look, I turned the flashlight on. Man, this is not going well. Okay, so that's what it looks like side by side. And then if I hold them here, the OnePlus 7 Pro is definitely fatter, or wider, should I say. And then if you want to see them in terms of the width, the Samsung is definitely a little bit thicker. But I thought it was going to be more overwhelming. It's taller, so it's going to stick out of your pants pocket a little bit. But otherwise, it's nice. And then you've got that little cutout in the front for the front-facing camera there. And then, yeah, I don't know what else to say. All right. So that's the unboxing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you guys want to see anything particularly reviewed when I do the full review of this thing. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. And until next time, guys, stay honest. One thing it did not come with is the little unlocker thingy. Actually, hold on. Sorry, the manual got stuck on the top box. So let me try to get this out. Oh, there's a little tab here. You can actually push that. Man, wow, Lou. I thought you had it good. Nice, they do have it. Okay, I thought they didn't have it. That's the SIM unlocker thing. Look at that little Christmas tree shape. I like that. Well, looks like a little Totoro kind of thing here going on here. So anyways, so they do have one, which means I can change the SIM. I actually just turned this on to tell you guys that you would need one of these, but looks like I was wrong. All right, and let's see what's inside here. OnePlus 7 Pro came with a case, a clear case. There's no such thing here. You just get a... Oh. So remember that thing I showed you guys earlier about that sticker? It is a screen protector. It says, if you remove it and want to use it different, please make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen features. So here it tells you that it does have a screen protector. So I'm not going to remove it. I don't have a case for it, which means I'm going to be extremely gentle with it tomorrow. That matte black is nice, man. It's super deep and nice and black. So, okay. All right, guys. By the way, I do like the feel of this a little bit better than I do the OnePlus. I think because it's a little skinnier. So Samsung has really figured that out. This is kind of nice. All right. Okay, for real this time, guys. Stay honest. Or until next time, stay honest.